Each year, the Mr. Tire Big 3 Tire program crowns one Top Shop Award winner that represents the very best of the tire and auto service industry. Mr. Tire Big 3 Tire Top Shop winners are dedicated to continuous improvement and serve their customers and communities with excellence. Think you have what it takes to be a Mr. Tire Big 3 Tire Top Shop? Visit MrTireTopShop.com today and nominate your independent tire dealership.
Hi everyone, I'm Maddie Weiner, editor of Tire Review. For the last 7 years, Tire Review has worked with K&M Tire to develop an exclusive Mr. Tire Big 3 Tire version of our industry-leading Tire Review Top Shop Award program. Winners and finalists of this program are announced at K&M's annual trade show. And this year, we decided to reach out to past K&M Top Shop winners to see how their businesses have changed since winning the award and what wisdom they can pass along to other shops in the industry. Today, I'm joined by Kim McMahon, president of McMahon's Best One Tire and Auto Care, based out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. McMahon's Best One was named the winner of K&M's Top Shop Award in 2016 and has also been a finalist in Tire Review's National Top Shop competition. Kim, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
I'm so excited to talk to you. You guys are the first winner of the K&M Tire Top Shop Award, which is a very prestigious honor. K&M Top Shop winners are really known for their innovation and willingness to change with the times and with their customers. And this is definitely the case for your business, McMahon's Best One. So since winning the K&M Top Shop Award, how do you feel your business has evolved?
Well, since 2016, a lot has changed. A lot has changed.
I'm sure.
But it really, in our business,
Right.
we since then have added 6 locations since 2016. We have 3 new retail locations, 2 truck mechanical locations, and a retread plant. So that's been a lot. And we've also added an HR department, which has helped us to get the new employees so we can staff all these new locations. But as far as the shop goes, I think that particularly in the retail, we've moved to digital inspections, which has been huge for our customers. They love it. Our guys do the inspections and they on a tablet. It goes directly to our customers. They can decide what they want to do, or what they don't want to do. Mm-hmm. And it's been a great experience for them. We've also been working on standardizing a lot of our retail operations to ensure that our customers get a consistent experience no matter which of the stores they go to.
Got it. Okay, awesome. So lots of expansion. Congratulations on that. That's incredible.
Thank you.
And then a lot of technological changes. I know digital vehicle inspections are such a huge advantage for not only shops, but customers too, it seems.
Yes. It actually, my sister was at a dealer and she got one. And she sent it to me and said, I don't know what this costs, but you need to do this.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice.
And I was like, oh, wow, yeah, that is really cool. And it's not that expensive, and it just gives the customer a great experience.
Yeah, it seems like you guys have noticed a difference in your customer interactions from.
Oh, yes. Especially because some customers don't want to interact. They want to just text back or email. They don't necessarily want a phone call or to discuss it. And it gives them that opportunity.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I know I've gotten one from a local tire dealer, and it's been very helpful. So that's very cool to see that you guys have added that and really added some technology, new technology to your business over the years. Now I know McMahon's Best One is also one of the largest truck tire dealers in the state of Indiana, which is really, really cool. Can you describe the company's commercial business and what do you feel sets McMahon's Best One apart from its competitors?
Well, we have, on the commercial side, we have locations that can handle every aspect of trucking. So from selling new tires, installing them, alignments, mechanical, like everything that, and selling, now that we have a retread plant, we just got that this year, we can take care of every aspect of what a trucking customer needs, which really helps reduce their downtime. And that's what they really need on the commercial side. I mean, it's important on retail also, but on the commercial side, it's costing them money. And they are super appreciative of that. We also work constantly to emphasize training, and like all of our tire guys are TIA certified, and we really focus on that. And our customers, they recognize that.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's huge. And adding a retread plant this year, you said?
Yeah.
That's great. Congrats. That's awesome.
Thank you.
How do you feel that's impacted your business in terms of, offering additional services to customers? And I know there's a lot of talk about retreads in the industry, but I'm just curious how you think that's impacted your business in a positive way.
Well, what's nice about it, I mean, first of all, it's a whole different animal. So
of course.
It's taken a little time to get used to that. But so now we set our standards for quality and everything. And that gives our salespeople some added confidence in what they're selling. And it's been great for us. First couple months were not easy, but the last couple months have been much better.
That's awesome.
But yeah, I think that there is so much talk about retreads in the industry these days, and the quality just keeps getting better, and that's going to be a game changer.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great.
Yeah.
So Kim, you and your husband Bubba are co-owners of the business, and you also have a partner, Randy Geyer, in the business as well. And you all pride yourselves, I know from reading the profile Tire Review wrote on you on the business for the K&M Tire Top Shop competition, you all really pride yourself on adapting to new vehicle technologies. So tell me about how you feel McMahon's Best One is doing that today. I mean, I know like we talked about commercial, in the commercial space, there's electric trucks coming about. There's ADAS, there's EVs, telematics. So how are you guys how are you guys adapting to technology these days?
Well, I'm super excited about this, and we are literally just starting this, but we are establishing the McMahon Technology Center.
Oh, nice.
We are going to have a trainer who is honestly one of the smartest people I've ever met, and he is establishing training for every aspect of our business, from how we're selling things to working with the general service guys to the commercial guys, and actually putting together the different steps to make a consistent experience. But also, so when vehicles come in, we're going to start right now planning for all the electric vehicles that they're not there yet.
Right.
We're not needing to work on them yet, but in 5 years we're going to, and at that point we will have already set out what the program is and how to deal with those. So we will have already trained our employees by the time we get those vehicles in. And this is going to be an all-encompassing program. I am super excited about it.
Very cool. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. That's such an exciting development. Can you give a shout out to the trainer? And
absolutely.
Yeah.
His name is Keegan Wentz, and he is amazing. He has already started laying the groundwork for all of this, and I'm guessing by the end it'll probably take a couple months before we're ready to actually jump into the training part of it. We're laying all the groundwork right now. It's going to be amazing. So check back with me next year.
I will. Yes. Oh, for sure. That sounds so exciting. And just another testament to how you guys, keep innovating and keep the skills of your employees up. I mean, I think that's great. That's such, very much characteristic of a Top Shop too. So very cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
I think what that's also going to allow us to do is to to find employees who may not even know that this is something they're interested in, like that it's not necessarily working on vehicles, it's technology, because that's the way the cars are going. So, we are hoping to get maybe people who are looking to learn a trade but may not know that it's cars or trucks, so you maybe get a more diverse workforce, which is good for everybody. So
for sure.
Yeah, we're super excited about it.
Very cool, very cool. I know it's, like you said, sort of months down the line, but I know there's been so much talk fairly recently in the industry with, the technician shortage, not only technician shortage, but just the labor shortage in general for everyone. I don't know if you guys are feeling that a little bit, but this seems like a great tool to address that. Is that how you guys were envisioning it, or?
Absolutely. This is, I think, and we've done this for a while, and that we don't necessarily look for someone with experience, because we'd rather bring them on and train them and show them how we do things. But when you're talking about a technician, like an A or B mechanic level, obviously they need to have experience, and it's difficult finding them. So that's a couple of years ago, we started just training on our own to get them to that level. So this is just an expansion of that idea.
That's very cool, very cool. I will definitely be checking back with you, maybe next year at K&M's conference in February. So that would be
yes.
great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's good.
Good deal. So Kim, after being named the 2016 K&M Tire Top Shop, McMahon's Best One, the first Top Shop, like I said, for K&M Tires competition. And, I know you've gone to these conferences, K&M's conferences in years past, and seen others get honored with the award. So I'm curious, from your perspective, what have you seen makes a top shop in this industry?
I think there's probably a couple of things. But I think the biggest thing is the ability to adapt quickly. It's things change so fast, and you need to be able to evolve and, kind of make decisions and say, okay, this is the direction we're going to go, and not have to, wait 6 months or a year before you make that decision. I think that's hugely important. I think the other part of it that is maybe not always as noticeable to the outside is the culture within the company. And I think that you'll find across the board that people who win this award have excellent cultures within their company and their employees and the different stores. And I know that's true for the companies that I know of that have won. It's definitely true.
Very cool. Yes, so true. And I'm thinking about some past winners now, and those definitely ring true about them too. So, yeah. Well, Kim, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it. I know K&M is still accepting nominations for this year's Top Shop Award. So anyone listening can go to MrTireBig3Tire.com and submit their shop to be in the running for this year's Top Shop Award. But Kim, thank you so much. I know we'll have a lot to talk about next year at the K&M Tire Conference, and we appreciate your time today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.